I only consider Kurt because of his legal opinions, and it seems his legal opinions to me are really sound. I think he's smart about what he talks about. I don't listen to a ton of his shows. I don't listen to a ton of anybody's shows, frankly, folks. I'm sorry, but I'm actually very busy.
Yeah, I think
I'm offended, Andrew. I am deeply offended that you do not watch every 8-hour Rekieta stream, Griftathon. You need to know all of the lore of Nick Rekieta.
Nick is the hardest working guy on the internet.
Dude, no, it's no.
But Kurt, I think Kurt does a great job, especially within his area of expertise. I don't know what he does outside of that, so I haven't really listened. But the conversations I've had with him within his area of expertise, he's been expert.
Kurt's area of expertise is being fucking thoughtful. Like literally, he's a very sharp guy, thoughtful, has an encyclopedic constitutional knowledge, which is great. He just passed the Texas bar, so a big shout out to Kurt because he was not barred in Texas. He did not need to be. I think he was barred in like Virginia or something like that.
By the way, to the lawyers here, can you imagine anything more horrible than having
seriously
on the bar?
Taking the bar again. Imagine taking the damn bar again.
I was like, why don't you just use the existing time as a lawyer and just get in that way? Like, just do the cheat way. That's what everybody else does.
Listen, you can take the Texas bar, or we can shoot you once somewhere in your body with a 9mm pistol.
Damn.
It's God. He fucking studied for it on stream and was doing everything, and he passed by a good margin. As I was very confident that Kurt would pass the bar. I was like, if anybody can go back and take this shit again and pass it, Kurt's the dude to do it, and I'm really fucking happy for him that he did, because I know that's a big achievement, guys. Here's the thing to the chat that you may not know. When you pass the bar the first time, that is your peak legal knowledge of general law. You will never be there ever again. For the rest of your life, you'll be sliding down the slope towards some specific practice area, because that's the most efficient way to handle your life. You're not practicing everything, so you're going to focus on what you get, where you get business, and you're going to nail it. The rest of the stuff, you have some general familiarity, but you're not talking bar exam familiarity. To go back and then unprogram yourself and reprogram yourself as just a general knowledge holder is really hard. Yeah. And what he did is great.
But let's face it, most of what you have to memorize for the bar is stuff you're never going to need to use in your practice of law, which is why trying to extricate yourself from practicing law and going back into that general knowledge thing is so challenging. And I tip my cap to Kurt. I say, salute to you, my brother. You busted your tail for this. You earned it, and all the stripes and all the credit in the world to you, my brother. I hope you have a lot of enjoyment and success out of that admission to Texas, because God knows you freaking earned it.
He did.